All right, sticking with gaming here, we have an article from Sam Rutherford on Gizmodo. He says the time has come for an Xbox laptop. I feel like Willie Doo has some feelings on this.
I think it's about time. Why not?
You talked to Sam Rutherford before this?
Yeah, we homies.
I did.
Easy.
I overheard that conversation.
Easy. So anyway, yeah, I guess you got all this stuff going on with Microsoft's cloud gaming. Microsoft is already on your laptop. There's tons of gaming laptops out there. They just bought a game software company.
Bethesda.
And yeah,
Kind of makes sense.
they make hardware. Like they put their brand on hardware that sits under your TV. Why don't they have the Surface laptops? Why don't they have a gaming laptop?
Do they talk about the specs? Is it a nice laptop?
They're not actually doing it. This is Sam Rutherford saying it's about time they do.
I see.
I don't know that he has any intel here that they're actually going to do it. Let's see here. No, he's making the pitch to you that this is a thing that should take place. I don't think he has any inside information. Here we go. Why not a Surface gaming laptop? There are several factors that make a gaming laptop from Microsoft fit better under the Xbox umbrella than as an addition to Microsoft's existing Surface laptop lineup. So the conversation here is around branding. Xbox is synonymous with gaming, and therefore maybe you don't have a Surface gaming laptop, but it's just called Xbox laptop.
Right.
Or it could be an Xbox lineup of gaming laptops. I don't know how they would do it, but I think it's a reasonable suggestion.
Mm-hmm.
If you have one of these, though, you're saying to the world that you're like a major gamer. Like that's your sole purpose on this thing.
In life.
Because if you took that into a coffee shop, like you're, red flags, I'm Mr. Gamer in here.
There's brands that have been very successful with exactly that, like Razer.
Yeah,
Like
they managed to make laptops that are for productivity too.
But they embrace it. It's almost like the thing Jack just said. It is exactly that. They want people to know that this is their interest.
Right.
They're not trying to hide it. They're out there. They're out there and they're proud.
It's a badge of honor.
But that's right. Now you're starting to get it. So I don't know if Microsoft will do it. If they are, it's going to take some time, obviously. But I'll say, man, the gaming laptop marketplace is on fire because it's so many brands putting out compelling stuff, competitive stuff. And one thing that has been certain about this COVID situation is that people have reignited their love of gaming. And people are gaming all over the place. It's one segment that has gone to the moon, as they say.
Yes.
Gaming.
And streaming.
Maybe even Jack going to play a video game. I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's not go nuts.
It's possible.